CargillAg, how to create an online offer. You have 1,000 decisions to make. No matter what's on your list, CargillAg.ca makes it easy and convenient to get things done. To create an offer, go to the Markets tab. Choose a commodity to view the local bids. Select your bid, then click Create an Online Offer Now. Select the type of contract, futures, basis, or cash. Next, select which account the grain will be sold under. Make an offer price. Note, the price must be above the market to be accepted. Next, enter how much you would like to sell. Select an offer expiry date. Expiry must be 60 days out or less. You will now be able to review your offer. Pay particular attention to the offer type, volume, and price. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation of your offer. You will be able to see the contract in your email for signature shortly. CargillAg, the power to get things done.